Welcome to Tronify Tech, your pit stop for everything that makes your rides smarter, smoother, and a whole lot more exciting. Today, we're shifting gears into the world of cycling tech. 20 must-have bike gadgets that take your two-wheeled adventures from basic to brilliant. From electric upgrades to safety powerhouses, these gadgets redefine what it means to ride smart. So, strap on your helmet, hit that subscribe button, and let's roll into the future of biking one gadget at a time. Rubbee X e-bike conversion kit. Ever wished your regular bike had that electric boost for steep climbs or long commutes? Meet the Rubbee X, the plug-and-play system that literally turns any bike into an e-bike in minutes. No wires, no tools, no stress. Just clip it on your rear wheel, hit start, and feel that surge of power as the smart friction drive kicks in. It adjusts automatically to your pedal power and even syncs via Bluetooth for performance tracking. With its removable battery modules, you can customize your range-short urban rides or long weekend adventures. And when it's off, your bike feels completely normal again. Simple, portable, and insanely clever electric freedom, minus the price of an e-bike. Granite Stash RCX Bike Multitool. Ever had your chain slip miles from home with no toolkit in sight? The Granite Stash RCX is your hidden backup plan, a full mini multi-tool that hides inside your bike's steerer tube. It's one of those "how is that even possible" designs. Just pop the cap and you've got essential hex bits and screwdrivers ready for mid-ride fixes. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight but rock-solid. No rattles, no bulky pouches, just smart engineering that keeps your bike sleek and repair-ready. Because every rider deserves a superhero tool that's invisible until it's needed. CYCLIQ Fly 6 CE HD Bike Camera. Every cyclist knows that one close call that stays with you. That's where the CYCLIQ Fly 6 CE steps in: part camera, part tail light, and 100% peace of mind. It records every ride in crisp 1080p HD with built-in stabilization, capturing license plates even at high speed. And if something ever happens, the loop recording and incident detection features automatically lock your footage. The bright rear light keeps you visible day and night, while the rugged, weatherproof body laughs at rain and dirt. Ride safer, record smarter, and always have your back covered, because visibility and proof are your best allies on the road. Beeline Bike GPS Computer. Ever get lost mid-ride because your phone GPS decided to take a nap? The Beeline Bike GPS Computer solves that with one of the most minimalist yet smartest navigation systems ever built. Instead of overloading you with maps and clutter, it shows a simple arrow that points you in the direction you need to go. It's freedom on two wheels, no distractions, just direction. Weatherproof, glove-friendly, and rechargeable via USB-C, it's designed for cyclists who value the ride as much as the destination. With turn-by-turn guidance, ride tracking, and smartphone sync, it's like having a compass with a PhD in navigation. Ride anywhere and never lose your sense of adventure. Wahoo ELEMNT Roam We 2. Now, if you crave full-featured data with pro-level precision, the Wahoo ELEMNT Roam We 2 is the dream setup. This isn't just a bike computer, it's your digital co-pilot. It tracks everything: speed, heart rate, elevation, cadence, and even your power output in real time. The crisp color display stays visible under blazing sun or pouring rain, and with built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you're always connected. Its intuitive setup via the Wahoo app lets you customize screens, sync routes, and even reroute instantly if you take a wrong turn. Designed for endurance riders and pros alike, it's built tough, lasts long, and keeps you laser-focused on your performance. Park Tool Chaingang Cleaning System. Greasy chains slowing you down? The Park Tool Chaingang Cleaning System is here to keep your drivetrain spotless and smooth. This isn't your average brush and rag setup. It's a pro-grade cleaning kit designed to strip away dirt, grime, and gunk in minutes. The chain scrubber clamps directly onto your chain, while rotating brushes and degreaser solution clean every link. Paired with a gear brush and cleaning fluid, it leaves your chain running quiet, fast, and friction-free. Easy to use, easy to rinse, and the blue casing even makes it look like something straight out of a mechanic's dream. Clean chain, smoother ride, longer life. Every cyclist's must-have maintenance fix. CYCLIQ AS2 Pro Tiny Bicycle Pump. Flat tire halfway through your ride? Don't sweat it. The CYCLIQ AS2 Pro is the mini electric pump that fits in your pocket but packs a serious punch. This compact powerhouse can inflate your tires to precise pressure in under a minute. No cables, no manual pumping. Its sleek aluminum body feels premium and durable, while the digital display lets you set exact PSI with a single tap. Rechargeable via USB-C, it doubles as an emergency power bank and even has a built-in flashlight for late-night repairs. Whether it's a road bike or mountain setup, this gadget ensures you're never stranded again. Tiny tool, mighty rescue. Geo-Orbital Wheel. What if you could electrify your bike just by swapping the front wheel? The Geo-Orbital Wheel does exactly that, turning almost any bike into a high-speed electric ride in under 60 seconds. You simply replace your front wheel, clip the throttle on your handlebar, and boom, instant e-bike mode. Powered by a brushless hub motor and lithium battery, it gives you speeds up to 20 miles per hour and ranges of 20 to 30 miles per charge. The futuristic spoke-less design not only looks wild, but also hides all the electronics inside. No messy wires, no special tools, just plug, play, and pedal into the future. Revolutionary design, instant power, total freedom, bike multi-tool. Every cyclist knows it's not if something loosens mid-ride, it's when. The bike multi-tool makes sure you're ready for anything. Compact yet loaded, it combines Allen keys, screwdrivers, spoke wrenches, and even a chain tool in one sleek frame. Made from hardened steel, it's built to last and small enough to slip into your seat bag or pocket. Whether you're adjusting brakes, tightening bolts, or making trailside fixes, this multi-tool has your back. No frills, no fuss, just pure utility that keeps your ride running smooth. Compact, capable, a cyclist's silent guardian. BikeHand, bike repair stand. Ever tried fixing your bike while it's tipping, slipping, or rolling away? The BikeHand repair stand turns every maintenance job into a pro-level experience right in your garage or driveway. Its quick-release clamp holds your bike steady at any angle, while the 360-degree rotation lets you access every part without hassle. Made from high-grade steel and aluminum, it's sturdy but folds down easily for storage. Whether you're cleaning chains, tuning gears, or swapping tires, this stand saves your back and your sanity. Smooth adjustments, stable build, and workshop-level control. All in one foldable frame. Work smarter, not harder. Seatylock FoldyLock. Compact folding bike lock. Protecting your bike shouldn't feel like carrying an anchor. The Seatylock FoldyLock Compact changes the game ultra-secure, lightweight, and built like a mini fortress. Its hardened steel links fold neatly into a compact shape that slides right into its case or bottle cage mount. When opened, it stretches into a full-length lock strong enough to resist bolt cutters and leverage attacks. Weather-resistant coating prevents scratches, and the silent locking mechanism keeps it sleek and stealthy. Urban riders love it for one reason: maximum protection, minimum bulk. Compact design, solid defense, peace of mind. Magicshine, Hori 1300S bike headlight. Night rides just got a major upgrade. The Magicshine Hori 1300S isn't just bright, it's daylight on demand. With a max output of 1,300 lumens, This headlight cuts through darkness like a laser, illuminating roads, trails, and everything in between. Its adaptive beam pattern spreads wide without blinding oncoming traffic, while the durable aluminum body shrugs off rain, dirt, and falls. The OLED display shows remaining runtime, brightness levels, and battery status at a glance. USB-C rechargeable, quick to mount, and built for endurance. It's the kind of light that makes every night ride feel epic. Ride bright, ride fearless. MEILAN X5 Smart Bike Tail Light. Ever wish your tail light could think for you? The MEILAN X5 Smart Tail Light just might be the smartest light you'll ever mount. It automatically brightens when you brake and flashes when you turn thanks to built-in motion and angle sensors. No switches, no buttons. It reacts instantly, making sure every move you make is clearly visible to traffic behind you. With 30 high-intensity LEDs, a 120-degree beam angle, and up to 10 hours of battery life, it's visibility redefined. The wireless remote lets you signal turns without lifting a hand, and the waterproof design keeps it reliable through any weather. Smart safety, zero effort, because visibility should never be optional. Navihood L4 entry-level GPS bike computer. If you're just getting into ride tracking and don't want to spend a fortune, the Navihood L4 is your perfect starter GPS. It gives you all the essentials: speed, distance, altitude, and route data in a clear, easy-to-read display. The intuitive interface makes it simple to use, while the waterproof shell means it's ready for any trail or commute. Sync it with your phone for instant ride stats, or use standalone mode to keep things distraction-free. Lightweight, reliable, and affordable, it's proof that smart navigation doesn't have to cost pro money. Entry-level price, pro-level precision. Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Bike Pump. Tire pressure problems? The Fanttik X9 Ace Mini Pump makes inflating a breeze literally. It's fully automatic, compact, and strong enough to inflate road or MTB tires with pinpoint accuracy. The digital screen shows real-time pressure, while its Smart Stop function shuts off automatically at your set PSI. Fast, efficient, and rechargeable via USB-C, this pump is built for riders who value both convenience and power. It even fits in your pocket or saddlebag because great rides shouldn't start with sore arms. Precision Air, pocket-size power. XLEADER Pro Bike Speaker. Because every ride deserves a soundtrack. The XLEADER Pro Bike Speaker brings crystal-clear sound to your handlebars without compromising safety or style. This waterproof, shock-resistant Bluetooth speaker mounts securely to your bike and pumps out surprisingly rich bass for its size. It pairs in seconds, runs up to 10 hours on a single charge, and doubles as a hands-free call unit. ROCKBROS bike seat bag. No one likes bulky backpacks or pockets stuffed with tools. That's where the ROCKBROS bike seat bag comes in. Sleek, weatherproof, and made to store all your essentials without slowing you down. It's crafted from high-density fabric with a hard shell to hold its shape even on rough terrain. Inside, you get organized compartments for tools, mini pumps, and even your phone or keys. The quick attach buckle system makes installation effortless, and the reflective stripes boost visibility at night. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's your personal trunk on two wheels. Less clutter, more adventure. CYCLIQ cycling speed and cadence sensor. For riders who love data, the CYCLIQ speed and cadence sensor turns every pedal stroke into insight. It attaches seamlessly to your crank or wheel hub and syncs via Bluetooth or ANT to your favorite cycling app or computer. Instantly track your speed, cadence, and performance metrics with pinpoint accuracy. The battery lasts up to 300 hours, and its waterproof design ensures it performs flawlessly through rain or dust. Small, smart, and incredibly efficient. It's the kind of sensor that helps you ride not just harder, but smarter. Data-driven cycling made simple. Hestya 360-degree bike mirror. Ever tried checking what's behind you while riding and almost veered off course? The Hestya 360-degree bike mirror puts your rear view right where it belongs, in your line of sight. With its fully adjustable ball joint, it rotates smoothly to give a panoramic view of the road behind. The wide convex mirror eliminates blind spots, so you can spot traffic and other riders long before they're close. Made from ultra-clear anti-glare glass with a reinforced mount, Marspeeder, bike motorcycle phone mount. Every modern rider needs navigation, music, and data on hand literally. The Marspeeder phone mount locks your phone in place so securely, it's like it's welded to your handlebars. Its aluminum clamp grips tight without scratching, while the one-hand mount system makes attaching and releasing your phone effortless. Compatible with most devices, it offers full 360-degree rotation, so you can switch between portrait and landscape on the go. Whether you're following GPS or tracking your ride stats, your phone stays stable no matter how rough the terrain gets. Strong hold, smooth control, total convenience. And that wraps up our list of 20 must-have bike gadgets gear that blends innovation, safety, and style to transform every ride. From smart tech to everyday essentials, each one adds a little more comfort, confidence, and thrill to your journey on two wheels. So, which gadget made it straight to your wish list? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to see what you're adding to your setup next. If this list gave you some upgrade ideas, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the next drop of futuristic finds.